to answer your question if the Quest products are good or not, let me just show you. I always take a snack with me when I leave my house because you never know when you're going to get hangry. This was my snack I left the house with. And then in addition to this, I bought more stacks at the Target, which you've seen, my Quest protein chips and then the Quest M&Ms. So I would say yes, hands down, all of the Quest products are absolutely delicious. And while up in the Sam's Club, they were giving out the samples for the new Quest muffins. And it comes in a box with 2 different flavors. You get blueberry and chocolate chip. I tried the chocolate chip and girl, you know I left with a box of those too. Definitely let me put you on some of the Quest products. You won't regret them.